Now we take the topic Rolle's theorem. First we look at the geometrical interpretation of the Rolle's theorem. We have a function fx which is defined in the interval a to b. And I have plotted the graph of this particular function. This has been the graph of this function. Now, what the geometrical interpretation says for this. Number one, curve is continuous between A and B. You look at this. This is a continuous curve. There is no hole or gap anywhere from this point A to B. Second thing is, curve has a unique tangent with definite slope at every point. From A point to B point, the corner have been left. You draw the tangent to the curve, so you can draw tangent at all the point on the curve and they are going to have a definite slope. Other thing is AL equals to AM, that this particular length here, this one, is equals to this one. So AL is equals to, that is the BM. Now if these three conditions are satisfied here, that is the continuity of the curve, differentiability means tangent can be drawn at all the point on the curve, then we have this particular length AL is equals to BM, that is FA equals to FB. Then there exists a point C, तब यहाँ एक point C exist करेगा, where if you plot the tangent to the curve, ये tangent x-axis के parallel होगा, this way. And if any tangent is parallel to x-axis, its slope is going to be 0. Why the slope is 0? Because it's not making any angle with x-axis. So tan 0, 0. So that means slope equals to 0. Now we see what we do all in the Rolle's theorem. First thing we will check function is continuous on the closed interval a to b. Second, we'll see function is differentiable in the open interval a to b. Then the value of function at a should be equals to value of function at b, fa equals to fb. If these three conditions of continuity, differentiability and fa equals to fb is satisfied, then there exists a real number c. ये c कहाँ एग्जिस्ट करेगा? बिटवीन a और b के बीच में, such that what happen, f dash c equals to 0 means that is the tangent to the curve would be parallel to x-axis here. This is our Rolle's theorem. Now, following function are continuous and differentiable everywhere. This we already have started. Let's take first constant function. It is a continuous and differentiable function. Similarly, exponential function, sine and cosine function, and these tangent and cotangent, secant, cosecant are continuous and differentiable in their domains where they are defined, and logarithm function. So we need not to prove anything for them. We can write them as continuous and differentiable function. Now, if f and g are the two functions which are continuous and differentiable, so what about their sum, f plus g? That will also be continuous. Their difference, it will be also continuous. Their multiplication of two continuous function, that is also continuous and differentiable. And even the f divided by g, where g is not equals to 0, this is also a continuous and differentiable function. Next thing is, every differentiable function is continuous. डिफरेंशियबिलिटी का मीनिंग क्या हुआ? दैट वी कैन ड्रॉ टेंजेंट टू कर्व. So tangent you can only draw if the curve is here. Like if any hole is there in the curve, you cannot plot tangent to this at this particular point. So that means every differentiable function is continuous. Now every continuous function may not be differentiable. Like a curve is like this, it is having a corner. On the corner, of course, this particular function is continuous. But tangent cannot be plotted this corner, so function is continuous but it is not differentiable. Now we take a question here for the verification of Rolle's theorem. Verify Rolle's theorem for fx equals to x square plus x minus x. And interval is given as closed interval minus 3 to 2. What is the first thing it has to satisfy? That is the continuity. Function fx is what? X square plus x minus x. It is a polynomial function. And what about every polynomial function? It is continuous and differentiable. We already have started here regarding the polynomial function. Or you can, if it is not listed, you write. So the function fx is therefore continuous and differentiable. Continuity we have to write in the closed interval only. Function is continuous in the closed interval minus 3 to 2. Next, for differentiability you find f dash x. What is derivative of this? It is 2x plus 1. This particular derivative which we have found is which clearly exists for all x belongs to open interval minus 3 to 2 means हम इस ओपन इंटरवल में कोई भी वैल्यू प्लेस करें हमारे पास एक डेफिनेट वैल्यू आएगी किसकी? दैट इज ऑफ डेरिवेटिव. So function fx is what? It is differentiable in the open interval minus 3 to 2. Now look for the third condition. What is third condition here? F minus 3, because interval is given as minus 3 to 2. So what is A here? A is this and B is this one. So what is value of function at minus 3? Put minus 3 in the function. So minus 3 squared. Then x value minus 3 minus 6. If you solve 9 minus 9, it is 0. What is B here? 2. So what is F2's answer? Put 2 here. 2 square plus 2 minus 6, which is also 0. So value of f minus 3 and f2, this is coming equal to 0. That is, हमने क्या proof कर दिया? What is proof? That is fb equals to fa. Now since all the three conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied, hence there exists a real number c belonging to open interval minus 3 to 2 such that what is the result in Rolle's theorem? F dash c equals to 0. Now you find f dash x. What is f dash x from here? F dash x equals to is what? 2x plus 1. So what is f dash c? You put c here. So what is the answer of your f dash c? It is 2c plus 1 equal to 0. The value of c, if you find, it comes out to be minus 1 by 2. Now whatever value of c you got, ये value हमारे इस इंटरवल के बीच में होनी चाहिए, ओपन इंटरवल. सो माइनस 3 to 2 इंटरवल था और ये माइनस हाफ इसके बीच में आ रहा है. Hence this particular Rolle's theorem is verified. We take one more example. Fx equals to e raised to x into sin x in the closed interval 0 to pi. Verify the Rolle's theorem. Now what we see first, We locate a continuity here. What is e raised to power x and sin x? Both are continuous function. And what about the product of two continuous function? It is also continuous. So function fx is continuous in closed interval 0 to pi. Now for differentiability, what we do? Find f dash x. What is f dash x from here? Two functions product is here. So we found a product tool. E raised to power x, sin x derivative is cos x plus sin x, e raised to power x is e raised to power x. So what is common here? E raised to power x common. What is left with you? Cos x plus sin x. Now what about this expression? From 0 to pi in the open interval, you just place up any value. We are going to have a unique answer. So what is it? Which clearly exists for all x belongs to open interval 0 to pi. Therefore function fx क्या हो गया? fx is differentiable. What is the third thing we do? We prove fa equals to fb. Who is your a? A is 0. Put 0 in the function. So what is the answer of f0? E raised to power 0 into sine 0. What is the value of sine 0? 0. So 0 into something is 0. Then it is, who is b? Pi. Put pi here. What is the answer of f pi? E raised to pi into sine pi. What is sine 180? This is also 0. So this is also 0. So what we had it here, answer of f0 equals to f pi. Now all the three conditions of this Rolle's theorem are satisfied. There exists a real number c belonging to open interval 0 to pi, such that what happened? F dash c equals to 0 we have. Now what is your f dash c? F dash c कहाँ से आएगा? We have already found f dash x for differentiability. So if this is f dash x, so what is f dash c? हम x की जगह c प्लेस कर देंगे. तो क्या आंसर हो गया? e raised to power c into cos c plus sin c equals to 0. Exponential series is not equal to 0. So what is it? Cos c plus sin c equal to 0. So sin c equals to minus cos c. हम इसे cos c से डिवाइड कर दें. cos c से डिवाइड करा. So tan c equals to minus of 1. 1 is the value of what? 10 pi by 4. Now tan c is equals to what? Just to remove minus sign, we put in the second quadrant. It is 10 pi minus pi by 4. So what is value of your tan c? Tan c is equals to कितना आ गया? tan 3 pi by 4. c equals to 3 pi by 4. This belongs to your which interval? किसको belong करना चाहिए था? 0 to pi. This belongs to the open interval 0 to pi. Hence what is it? Your Rolle's theorem is verified. So this is how, for Rolle's theorem, you need to prove function is continuous. For differentiability, you find f dash x and check at all the point it has a unique value and the value exists. Then third is fa equals to fb, they should be equals. If all the three conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied, then there exists a value of c in the open interval such that f dash c equal to 0. F dash c you can find it from where? By putting c here in f dash x. So try to get the value of c. Whatever value of c comes, this should belongs to the open interval which is given in the question. So this is how you can verify the Rolle's theorem.